Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Umageba, which means IsiZulu. This is Amanda Ndimande. I am going to be providing you with lessons for IsiZulu. So if you are interested in knowing IsiZulu, this is the video for you. But in this video, I will be focusing on the vowels. So I am going to teach you how to pronounce the vowels, and I will also provide you with information on when the vowels can be used and how they can be used. So there are 5 vowels. Okay, we all know the vowels. Okay, so let us begin. A, E, I, O, U. Okay, so please take a closer look at my lips. This will help you to master the pronunciation. So it will be A, E, I, O, U. One more time. A, E, I, O, U. That was easy, right? Okay, so just to provide you with more information about the vowels. Okay, they can be found in the beginning of the word on their own. Okay, but in the middle of the word towards the end, they go with certain letters. They cannot be on their own. I will be also providing you with examples to see what I'm trying to tell you. And another thing is that the vowels can never be in the same place. They don't go together. In IsiZulu, we don't have any word with the same or with the different vowels in the same place. Let's take a quick look at the following words. Amehlo, imoto, egoli, osisi, umama. Now, if you look at these words, you will see the vowels. Can you see the vowels? They are at the beginning of the word. Now, can you also see that in between the words, there are also vowels, but they do not go on their own. They are with certain letters. And as you can see, they are not close to each other, and they can never be close to each other. That was it for today's lesson. Please don't forget to like my video, to also put comments. If you have any suggestions, you can just write them in the comment section. Please don't forget to also subscribe to my channel. I will be uploading more videos. As you can see, we did not go through all the letters. So in my next video, I will be providing you with more information about the other letters and how to pronounce them. I will be providing you with prefix and suffix for IsiZulu. Bye!